What in the world are these people?
I know what to do now. I shall handle these intruders myself. And in doing so, I should be able to retrieve more than enough energy for Majin Buu.
But Dabura, if I lose you, then I'll have no further defense against them. Do you actually stand a chance?
Stand a chance? Ha ha ha! I am Dabura, king of the demon realm. No one in this universe has the power to defeat me.
Dabura!
I must admit, I'm impressed. Mortals like you were able to defeat Yakan. I must commend you for such an achievement. But this is as far as you will go. I will be your next opponent.
Majin revival imminent.
If Babidi is already resorting to dispatching his right-hand man, he must be getting quite desperate.
That's quite enough of your useless chatter. Now, come at me, all of you!
Wait a second. It's my turn to fight next.
What did you say? How dare you mock me, Lord Babidi? Please transport us to a more suitable location. I must show this mortal my power.
Very well. Pa-pa-da-pa-pa!
All right. Time to make short work of this guy and save Piccolo and Krillin.
Prepare to witness the power of the King of the Demon Realm. You will regret underestimating my power.
Let's do this! Here I go!
You definitely seem like you're a cut above the others.
I take issue with you comparing me to such scum.
So much if I were you.
You mock me at your own peril.
Surprisingly strong.
Crap. This guy's a lot tougher than I originally thought.
Still, Gohan shouldn't be having this much trouble. He's gotten weak. He was much stronger than this when he was a child.
Yeah, I guess he really has been slacking off on his training.
I'm starting to get pissed.
As Gohan continued his fierce battle with Deborah, Videl made her way back to the World Tournament arena.
Videl! Oh, Goten! What are you doing here? Oh, Trunks said we should try to go find the others.
My dad and everyone else are off doing something cool. It's not fair.
You know, it's not like they went off to have fun. Okay, fine. I guess I'll clue you both in on what's happening. So, that's what's going on.
Wizard? Majin? Whoa! Did you hear that, Goten?
Yeah, that's so cool!
Right?
Huh? They're over that way, right? Wait a second! You two aren't actually going to...
Hurry, if we aren't quick, our dads are gonna beat all the bad guys!
No way! I want to see that Majin Buu guy!
Let's go!
Woohoo! Come on!
Meanwhile, the violent confrontation between Gohan and Deborah raged on.
Damn, this is taking too long. I'm going to end this right here, right now.
Hang on a second, Vegeta. Give Gohan a chance. It's not like he's getting his butt kicked or anything.
I've had more than enough of these games. I want to get this done and over with so I can finally settle things with you. That's the whole reason I joined that stupid tournament to begin with.
Lord Babidi, I've just made the most amazing discovery. Majin Buu will be revived in no time at all.
Hey! You're not running away, are you?
Running away? No, I no longer have a need to fight, for I've found a much more suitable opponent.
What did you say?
What is this discovery of yours, Deborah?
Among those four, one of them possesses a great deal of evil in his heart. With a heart that evil, we can most certainly turn him to our side.
Oh, I see. We can cause them to fight among themselves and reap the resulting energy. That should be more than enough to revive Majin Buu.
What did he just say?